Megago tech leads the new era of e-mobility. Megago has transformed traditional lawn mowers into fully automated machines, equipped with our in-house developed EPS system, combined with precise sensing technology and AI navigation. This enables automated steering control, real-time obstacle avoidance, and automatic docking with charging stations, significantly reducing labor requirements and making agricultural maintenance more efficient. We possess the technical expertise and know-how in integrating EPS systems, not only for agricultural industry, but also for transportation such as e-bus, trucks, and golf carts. The EPS system assists with steering during operation, reducing driver fatigue during long hours, and integrates with advanced driver assistance to enhance comfort and safety. Additionally, anti-pinch door sensors further ensure passenger safety when boarding and alighting. Beyond conventional road vehicles, automated steering control offers greater precision, smarter management, and a better driving experience. We focus on autonomous vehicle system integration and innovative development, combining sensing, communication, vehicle control, and image recognition technologies to implement our solutions across diverse vehicle platforms. From electric buses and boats to mowing technology, our applications span urban transportation and agriculture, driving green and sustainable development across industries. Looking ahead, we will extend our autonomous driving applications in agriculture to include tractors, field transporters, and rice harvesters, empowering the agricultural industry to achieve a more efficient and intelligent future.